as you can see, I'm frying some onions, garlic, and some red chili and ginger, and here are my fried chickens, and I just used some cornflour, salt, and fried them in deep fried them. And another ingredient is waiting to be getting into the pan. So here's the capsicum, and I think we'll be needing a little bit of oil, so let me add that. So our goal is to not get this too much fried, because we still want the crispiness to be present there. So just get them fried for like 2-3 minutes, and then we can move ahead with the next step. So I just added the capsicum, let it be in there for 2-3 minutes, and then we'll continue with the next step. Okay, so in the pan I've added a little bit of salt, and as per the taste, and a little bit of sugar for that sweet and salty taste that chili chicken has. I will let it fry for another 2 minutes. Okay, so now in this bowl I have taken equal proportion of soya sauce and tomato sauce. Now if you want it a bit tangy, you can add the soya sauce. If you want it more sweet, you can add the tomato sauce. I prefer it a bit sweet, so I've added a little bit more tomato sauce, and we're gonna pour this in. Okay, so now we have added the sauce, and the gravy looks like this. If you want a little less soya sauce, that is also fine. Now we will add the chicken. Toss them in the sauce. At this point you don't need to do much, because it's just like a dry preparation, so don't add any water or anything. Just mix the sauce well so that all the chicken pieces are coated. And here, if you want, you can add some coriander for some taste change, or maybe spring onion if you have it. I currently don't have it, so I'm not adding it. So spring onion goes better with chili chicken, yeah, so you can add that. And we'll let it simmer for like 5-6 minutes, and that's it, that's done. So here's the point where you should check your gravy, like for salt and sweetness. Like if everything is perfect, you can add anything else you want, and that's it. Okay, so now you can see it's all set. It's gooey, it's sticky, it looks nice, it looks very, very tasty, yummy. And that's it. Your chili chicken is done. Turn the gas off, and I'll come back to you with the presentation. Thanks. And this is how it looks finally. Enjoy.